Welcome back to the channel where every day there's a new reading from the Jamaican New Testament. My name is ANDRE CUFFE, and we're doing a series on miracles, signs, and wonders. We read every morning at 5 o'clock Jamaica time, and we love to hear from you. So drop a comment after the reading to let us know what you think. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.
A God Word This, a daily reading from the Jamaican New Testament.
Today, we're going to read from the good news about Jesus, as according to Acts 4, 23 to 31. Prayer meeting, Cape. After them let go, Peter and John go back to the other people who believe in Jesus and go tell them everything what the leader for the priest them and the elder them said to them. When they hear the news, all of them join together and start praying to God. Them say, Master God, are you made the heaven and the earth and the sea and everything within them? You use the Holy Spirit to make your servant David, for your father say. What make the people them when a Jew are real upon a plan all sort of sitting against God, even though them can't make them happen? The kingdom upon earth get themselves ready for fight, and the ruler them join together for fight against God and for him Christ. We know for sure say that's how it go, cause Herod, Pontius Pilate, people who are not Jew, and the Israel people meet up in the city and plan to kill Jesus, your servant were holy. Them come together for do all you done plan, say what happen, and it happen that way because of your power and because that way they want to happen. So Lord, look for how them are threatening way. Help your servant them to spread your message and not afraid of nothing. Use your power and make people better. And make we use the name of your servant, Jesus, to do some powerful miracle and some sign. After them done pray, the house of them did meet, get shake up. The Holy Spirit take control of them and make them preach God's word and not afraid of nothing. A God word this. Thank God.
Want more info? Check the description box. Little more.